my dad likes it here, so he said, let's go get some sushi.
Yeah.
2 chicken,
So you can get sushi through here
4 chicken.
and also order digitally. We are sorry, the number of orders up to 5 varieties or 5 pieces at once.
Ah.
Yeah, yeah.
こういうのは取っちゃダメなのね。人が頼んでるの。そう、これは大丈夫だけど。
So we can't take these ones because somebody ordered them. But we could take these ones that doesn't have a red tray. Oh, it's coming soon.
You're gonna have to order 2 more. There's not very many.
色が緑だって。
Yeah. How do you know which one's yours?
これ若草色って書いてあるんですけど。
Oh, so we have a color. Oh, okay. So we know it's ours when it's green. Kenny got shrimp. And I got tamago, egg. Oh, something's coming again. Something's coming. So I gotta look for a color. Oh, there's a bunch of them coming. Lots of greens. Here it is. Better hurry up and get them. Oh, how are we gonna get 3? That looks good. Yum.
It is.
あ、本当だ。取れるお姉ちゃん。すごい。さすが。
Oh, I've seen those before. That's very traditional.
そうだね。朝ごはんに出るんだよね。あ、本当？いつもあれ学校の修学旅行なんか和式のいつもこれ出るかもだよね。
I love fried food, but it's a lot of oil in this.
So that's why I can only have one.
It's just like so much tempura, I can't even eat it all.
これだ。
Oh, that's Dad's. Get it, get it, get it. Oh.
これなんか混じってあるから。
What is it? What's your favorite item, Dad?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Here, yeah.
ツナマヨ。あ、チキンが一番好き。
Mom, what's your favorite?
なんだろう。これが一番好きかね。これすごい。
そうなんだ。
あとサラダも。
Salad and なんだっけこれまた egg custard, ankake. I love Japanese salad dressing. It's like sesame, like a little bit of mustard.
ね、それ唐揚げの寿司？ 唐揚げ寿司。
They're pretty good. That's all our food that we ate.
チェックアウト。
あ、ここで払うの？
違う。何を頼んだかっていうのを。
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Oh wow, they have like a measuring thing.
That's cool.